Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Praline chocolate. First, gather your ingredients: 100 grams of sugar, 50 milliliters of water, and 150 grams of your favorite nuts, like almonds or hazelnuts. You will also need 200 grams of good quality chocolate. Ensure all your tools are ready, including a heavy-bottomed saucepan and a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This preparation is key for a smooth process. Now let's caramelize those nuts. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine the 100 grams of sugar and 50 milliliters of water. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring constantly until the sugar dissolves. Once it starts to boil, stop stirring and let it cook until it reaches a beautiful golden amber color, around 170 degrees Celsius. Then, quickly add your 150 grams of nuts and stir to coat them completely in the caramel. Once coated, immediately spread the caramelized nuts onto the prepared parchment paper. Make sure they are in a single layer to cool quickly and evenly. Let them cool completely until they are hard and brittle. This usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Once cooled, break the hardened praline into smaller, manageable pieces. Transfer these pieces to a food processor and blend until you achieve a smooth, creamy paste. This might take several minutes. Finally, let's bring it all together. Gently melt your 200 grams of chocolate using a double boiler or microwave, ensuring it's smooth and tempered. Once melted, fold in your freshly made praline paste until it's thoroughly combined and uniform. Pour this delicious mixture into your desired molds or spread it onto a lined tray. Chill the praline chocolate in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour or until it's completely firm. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a great book and other deals. Enjoy your homemade praline chocolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.